So DeepSeek just dropped a little gem called nano-vLLM, and it's causing ripples in the open-source LLM community. Here's the headline. It's a fully working re-implementation of vLLM, the high-speed engine behind many production chatbots. But nano-vLLM is just 1,200 lines of pure Python. That's not a typo. It fits in a single file, has no weird dependencies, and somehow still pushes over 1,400 tokens per second on a laptop GPU. Why does this matter? Well, the original vLLM is a beast. Fast, yes, but packed with CUDA, C++, and a stack of glue code. Great for production, terrible for learning. Nano-vLLM flips that. It's clean, readable, and shockingly fast, thanks to smart use of paged KV cache, async scheduling, and CUDA graphs. No rocket science, just surgical minimalism. You can run real 7B to 13B models locally, offline, at speeds that actually make sense for prototyping, testing, or even shipping RAG apps without needing a cloud bill the size of a mortgage. The author calls it the nano-GPT of serving, and honestly, that's spot on. It's not a toy. It's just tight, elegant code that you can actually understand. Yes, there are fewer knobs, no built-in web server, and don't expect multi-node wizardry. But for students, indie devs, or anyone who likes knowing what their code is actually doing, this thing's gold. Run it, read it, hack it. Nano-vLLM might be the cleanest LLM engine you've ever touched.